Hi, my name is Daniel Rojo-Campos. I'm a solution advisor with Wahsega. I'm here to talk to you today about Carina. Carina is our flagship product. Carina is a software-based building control platform. When you see here in front of me, you'll see an extra large IP display as well as a large IP display. Everything is going to be connected through our Carina server, which can hold 125 primary endpoints and 125 secondary endpoints. If there ever is an incident at school, you have the ability to lock down the door.
Attention, attention. This is a lockdown alert. Lock the doors and stay away from the windows.
Once that's all clear, your faculty and kids are safe, all you can do is an all clear call.
All clear. Please return to your normal activities.
My name is Daniel Rojo. Please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.